Python also has a useful way to assign multiple variables at once. These 3 assignments can be abbreviated using multiple assignment like this. X is still assigned to 2, Y to 3, and Z to 5. You can use this when you're assigning closely related variables like the width and height of an object, or an object's coordinates. In this example, we used X, Y, and Z as variable names. However, normally we'd want something more descriptive. X, Y, and Z would be appropriate variable names for something like coordinates in a 3D space. But for most other situations, we can do better. For example, if you were computing the population density of Mountain View by dividing the population by the land area, this is one way to compute the correct answer. But it's much clearer with these variable names, which are actually descriptive of the values they represent. In addition to being descriptive, there are a few things to watch out for when naming variables in Python. First, only use ordinary letters, numbers, or underscores in your variable names. They can't have spaces and need to start with a letter or underscore. Second, you can't use reserved words or built-in identifiers that have important purposes in Python, which you'll learn about throughout this course. They're also linked below. Using them as variable names will lead to errors or problematic situations when you try to use that word for its intended purpose. Third, the Pythonic way to name variables is to use all lowercase letters and underscores to separate words.